the four-way test, which is like the Bible of Rotarians. I think by now all of us have it by heart, except a few of us like me. So the four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. First is it the truth? Second is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendship? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sujita. Good evening, Rotarians, hands, Anets, and guests who are present in the hotel, and also many Rotarians who are present in the virtual platform in Zoom. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to this Rotary Club of Madras East meeting, and a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mrs. Janaki Sabesh, an actor, author, ideator, facilitator, and most importantly, a storyteller. Madam, I thank you for accepting our invitation to be our chief guest and speaker for today's Rotary Club of Madras East meeting. The last Wednesday, we had a musical evening with Mrs. Mahati as our speaker, and the meeting was well attended by members both at the hotel and in the virtual platform. We were treated to some lovely Carnatic and film songs, along with insights into Mahati's journey into both these areas and how she managed to keep her spirits up during the tough initial days of the pandemic. Some Rotary projects. Our annual Telefox run for cancer awareness had a fantastic validity function last Sunday. Many members and runners, guests ran at YMCA and other locations worldwide. We were welcomed by the police band who kept revving up our energy throughout the morning. The chief guest are our own District Governor Rotarian Sridhar and Dr. Hemnath Raj, the head of Cancer Institute Adyar, as well as other members in the dais, spoke extremely well. It was a great family fitness outing for many, coupled with it being for cancer awareness cause. We had huge visibility in the social media and the press, thus making it as a grand success. This was followed by the End Polio campaign. More than 60 of the Rotary family gathered at YMCA Stadium for the cause, which was followed by a sumptuous breakfast. This was followed by the vocational service project. The tally program for the deserving students was inaugurated yesterday at our vocational service center, Thoripakam. It was indeed nice to see a full class of students, each already owning a degree or two, and now equipping themselves with a hot accounting skill of using Tally and GST. This hopefully would lead all of them to get employment soon. The art competition in collaboration with Nippon Paints for children has taken off well. Registrations have started coming in. This is a fundraiser project for our Ishala project, which is creating 100 smart classes for the underprivileged children. Our Annadhanam, which is called the Annapathiram project, is going each week, and every Saturday we continue to feed about 1,000 to 3,000 inmates of orphanages and old age homes. Rotary Club of Madras East also gave a scholarship for another 5 deserving girls from Lady Shivasamy School from the underserved under our Vidyadhan project. This time the sponsor was Annette Ramya, daughter of Rotarian Venkatadri. This morning I also had the opportunity to attend a function in our partner school, which is the Ramakrishna Mission School for Girls at the Mint. We have supported them 3 years back. We were close to about 400 guests present, including the head of Ramakrishna Math Swamiji, and they actually inaugurated a new block which was donated by Bharat Petroleum and Omega Healthcare. Coming to the main agenda item for the evening, we have a very interesting speaker, a celebrity herself, Mrs. Janaki Sabesh, to set the Diwali mood high for all of us. A versatile professional who dons several hats, a storyteller, an actor, author, and facilitator. We know the storytelling is quite popular among children, but we were given to understand that even among corporates and adults, this is a big imperative these days. RCME consists of 177 members and from various walks of life, from large businesses, medium businesses, entrepreneurs, a few executives from large corporates. We are eagerly looking forward to the storytelling for people like us. On behalf of Rotary Club of Madras East, I once again welcome Mrs. Janaki Sabesh to RCME and we all look forward to some exciting stories from you. Thank you.